Okay, whenever you're ready.
Yeah. Hi everyone, this is Kevin Yao. I will present to you my final project finishing Python 1 courses, H2.
Okay.
For starters, my idea informed by the exam system currently used in my school. I decided to build up a similar system with Python. So what I did, I learned and used for my project. 80% of my knowledge I learned in Python 1 is used in this project. However, I would like to mention two most important ones. The first one is random. Random is used by the exam system to randomly choose a problem from the problem list. However, I found that sometimes the system chooses the same question. The second one is the list data structure. To solve the problem repeated question, I used a new data structure called list to store the order of the question. The chosen problem will be deleted from the problem list. A new question will be randomly chosen from the remaining list.
Question. Can you have multiple lists going on at once? Can you have two lists going on at the same time?
Yes.
How?
Like this list could be choose. The question could be choose in this question list, and the question will be the same type. And if the randomly choose things we want to choose in another question list, it can be choose.
Okay, so you can have like an English list and like a math list, right? Okay, cool. Awesome.
Here's my coding sector.
So tell us what's going on in code 1.
That's in the next page.
Oh, okay. Well, tell us what's highlighted here. Like, what are you doing in that specific code?
Like this is a random question to choose the problem in the problem list. And these are the list problem list question.
Oh. Okay. So the code, so the bottom square, delete problem list question pause. What does that do? Why is that important?
To delete the question in the problem list.
Okay.
Because it already been chosen.
Oh, so it deletes it from the list. So
yeah.
So if I were to say question 5 have been used, what would my new list be? Well, what problems would my new list have?
1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8.
Good. Alright, awesome.
Page 1. My favorite part.
Do you have the code with you right now? Can we see it? Can we see the code? You want
I'm not familiar with the mic system.
Yeah, yeah, here's the demo. Okay. Can we let's see, what if I were to do control? Which one's exit?
Exit?
Which one's exit? Exit's so small.
Oh yeah, this one.
That one's exit? Okay, cool.
And this one.
Oh god, it's even smaller. Okay. Okay, let's do control plus. Is command plus? Okay, we're just gonna do it. Yeah. Okay, cool. So we're gonna run the program and go ahead and tell us what to do.
Okay.
I think you are going to use this.
Here you can say yes or no.
Yes.
Hey, why I can't?
You have to click on the
First,
console.
you need to press here and see. Sorry.
Why can't this?
Sorry, I don't know what's written. I can't input anything into.
Can you stop it? Stop the program.
Stop. No. Oh, it's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, no, let's run
Run
it.
again.
Run again.
Okay, awesome.
This can't happen.
Sorry, the no reason, but I'm sorry, I can't input anything.
Just put it. 就是电脑问题是连了这个的问题。
Python. Can you stop the program again?
Yeah. Stop.
Okay. No, it's not.
Why can't you put anything?
Hang on. So you want to hit run. Click here. Do you have to rip it on your file on your computer? Alright.
Yes.
Yeah, let's.
But we can use the video. Yeah, we have already recorded into the
Yeah.
video.
Oh, video. Where is the video?
Right
The
there.
demo. Then run.
So zoom out. We're going to go back to the beginning. Okay. So let's just go ahead and do this. So tell us what's going on, right? What's happening in this code?
Because it choose in
Mm-hmm.
like no, in means no.
Mm-hmm.
So it's this choose yes. So it will ask you how many questions do you want.
Okay.
So if it choose a negative number, it will show number 1.
Oh, that's cool. Okay.
So it has to ask you again, do you want to start the test? If you say 5, and so it will give you 5 questions.
Okay. So what's the result of what?
To
10% to.
5.
Okay. So what should the answer be? Do you know? 0? Okay.
What is the result? Oh, this is true.
Okay.
And what's the no, that's wrong.
So what happens when you get it wrong?
It will tell you incorrect and this.
Okay. 2.
2. 4. This is 4. Incorrect.
Oh,
It's
so
60%.
so it calculates everything. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Yeah, do you have the Replit file?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
sure.
So let's go ahead and see it in real time if that's okay.
Okay.
Can you bring a computer?
Oh, here.
妈，你想看一下吗？我看啥？
Yeah, we can have the mom participate.
不好意思，麻烦你。对，来，您坐左边。行，好的。线太短。好。就是
Yeah,
use what use account.
Can you scroll down in the code here?
Yeah. Okay, let me first order some.
Okay, so.
Run.
So click on the console. Yeah.
Yeah, let me show you. Okay, 好 ，OK。
Okay. How many questions do you want? So can I do 10?
Try.
Okay. Wow, you thought of everything. Okay. Yes. Let's do 2.
2.
Yeah. The result of 1 exclamation mark. What's the wrong answer here?
Run.
Yeah, what's the wrong answer here?
This one.
Okay, so false. So can we do false?
Shift. This is correct.
Oh, that's correct. Okay. What
Because this is capital letter.
Okay. Cool. And then can we do California? Just make it wrong. Because the capital is China is Beijing. Yeah. Okay, so that's nice. Cool. Awesome. All right. That's great. Okay. All right, we could switch on over to your PowerPoint now.
OK，又回去了。
耶，我
明天。
很麻烦你，对不起。哎呦 ，OK。
I think we did.
It's no, it's not normal size anymore. All right, what is your favorite part?
My favorite part about working on this project is using a question list to solve the problem on a repeated question. Maybe you want to ask me that why don't you use set to one repeat question? Here's the answer. Set is on order and used to avoid storing the same elements. However, the repeated question problem happens when the questions are being used instead of being stored. Also, we need to choose each single question according to its order, so we don't need to use set by list.
Okay.
In my code, I use live code of this new screen to make the system choose a problem according to the length of the remaining problem list. Also, I use another live code of this orange to delete the chosen question from the list.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can skip, we can skip this.
OK。
Oh.
Yeah. Here's the last part is how to improve my project. Here are 3 dictions. More question, user interface, and turtle.
What does user interface mean?
To like, if you touch it, it will go.
Okay.
More question. I set up 9 questions in my system. However, in the real exam system, 9 questions are not enough. That is the reason why I need to add more questions. Also, maybe I can classify the question into different lists, so that question could be chosen through their type, like history question, calculation question, or Python question.
Okay.
User interface. Commonly, an application will have an interface, which is used to display information and data, and also interact with users. For example, after filling the blank on the web page will store the data in its database. For my project, I didn't learn how to design an interface in Python 1, but I would learn in future classes. I hope.
Okay.
I also learned Turtle in Python 1, which is used for painting. In my project, I decided to display different emoji faces when getting different grades. For example, crying will be displayed when the grade is lower than 50, while a smiley face will be displayed if the grade is higher than 50. Thank you.